Shah Sahab, resolution. Shah Paresh Sahab.
I'll have to move here, sir. Sure. नहीं, you can do it from here. जगह नाम लिखा है ना, जनाब स्पीकर, आपकी इजाज़त से मैं रेजोल्यूशन मूव करना चाह रहा हूँ. Upon completion of 365 days since India's illegal and unilateral actions of 5th August 2019 and its continued human rights violations in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, the Majlis-e-Shura, Parliament of Pakistan, rejects emphatically India's illegal and unilateral actions since 5th August 2019 aimed at perpetuating its inhuman occupation of Jammu and Kashmir, reaffirms the inalienable right to self-determination of the people of Jammu and Kashmir as enshrined in the relevant UN Security Council resolutions and protected by international law, emphasizes that these illegal Indian actions are a blatant violation of the relevant United Nations Security Council resolutions, bilateral agreements, and the precepts of international law, castigates BJP government for introducing new domicile rules in IIOJK in the attempt to illegally change the demographic structure of the region to advance its Hindutva agenda, strongly condemns the illegal steps to turn Muslims into a minority in the only Muslim majority area in Indian occupation, are in clear violation of UNSC resolutions, bilateral agreements, and international law, including the 4th Geneva Convention, reviles the extrajudicial killings of Kashmiri youth in fake encounters and cordon and search operations by the Indian occupation forces, as well as forced disappearances and arbitrary arrests and detentions of senior Kashmiri leaders and activists. Condemns strongly the refusal by Indian occupation forces to hand over mortal remains of the Shohada to their families for proper burial. Also condemns the burning and looting of Kashmiris' houses to inflict collective punishment on the communities and neighborhoods. Deplores that Indian occupation forces have partially or completely blinded more than 11,000 Kashmiri civilians, including women and children, through the deliberate use of pellet gun shots, which represents a grave violation of international law and fundamental human rights. Denounces the fact that to divert attention from grave human rights violations in IIOJK, the Indian occupation forces along the line of control and the working boundary have been continuously targeting civilian populated areas with artillery fire, heavy caliber mortars, and automatic weapons, committing more than 1,800 ceasefire violations this year alone, resulting in 14 shahadats and serious injuries to 138 innocent civilians. Appreciates strong statements of support on the Jammu and Kashmir dispute from world leaders, reaffirming the disputed nature of Jammu and Kashmir, as well as the international community, in particular, the United Nations' responsibility in seeking a resolution of the Jammu and Kashmir dispute in accordance with relevant UNSC resolutions. Commends the 3 discussions on the Jammu and Kashmir dispute in the UNSC after a gap of more than 55 years. The 2 reports on the issue by the Office of the High Commissioner of Human Rights, the consistent support demonstrated by the OIC and its human rights bodies, IPHRC, and the convening of 3 meetings of the OIC Contact Group on Jammu and Kashmir. Applauds several world parliaments, international human rights organizations, as well as international media who have been vocal in their condemnation of the ongoing military siege, communication blockade, and curfew imposed by the Indian occupation forces in IIOJK. It appreciates the visits to Pakistan and Azad Jammu and Kashmir by the United Kingdom's all-party parliamentary group, Kashmir Group, and the OIC Secretary General's Special Envoy on Kashmir. Stresses that the BJP-led government's threatening statements and belligerent rhetoric, as well as irresponsible and aggressive Indian actions, pose a grave threat to peace, security, and stability in South Asia. Sensitizes the world community again about the possibility of false flag terrorist operations by India and any ill-conceived misadventure. Reaffirms the firm resolution of the people and the armed forces of Pakistan to thwart any act of aggression resolutely and effectively. Underscores that the RSS-BJP dispensation in India is driven by the toxic mix of extremist ideology, which is Hindutva, and the hegemonic designs, Akhand Bharat, which pose a threat inter alia to the Kashmiri people under Indian occupation, to the minorities in India, and to regional peace and stability. Underscores that Jammu and Kashmir is an internationally recognized dispute and longest outstanding item on the agenda of the UNSC, and categorically states that illegal Indian steps do not and cannot alter its disputed status. Upholds previous resolutions of the National Assembly and the Senate expressing unflinching, unwavering, and unstinting solidarity and commitment of the people of Pakistan with the people of IIJOJK. Pursuant to the above, this House demands that the Indian government too rescind its illegal unilateral actions of 5th August 2019, immediately lift its inhuman military siege in the IIOJK, stop its illegal measures to change the demographic structure of the occupied territory, stop extrajudicial killings of Kashmiri youth in fake encounters and cordon and search operations, release the illegally detained Kashmiri youth and political leadership, remove restrictions on media, internet and mobile communications, movement and peaceful assembly. Provide access in illegally Indian-occupied Jammu and Kashmir to human rights and humanitarian organizations, independent observers, and the media. Repeal its draconian laws, including Armed Forces Special Powers Act, Public Safety Act, and Unlawful Activities Prevention Act. Withdraw over 900,000 occupation troops from IIOJK and give Kashmiris their inalienable right to self-determination. Calls upon the international community to use all tools at its disposal to hold India accountable for its illegal and unilateral actions and human rights violations against the Kashmiri people. Pressurize India to adhere to its international human rights obligations and allow international media, humanitarian organizations, and independent observers entry into IIOJK to independently verify reports of abuse, violations, and use of excessive force. Urges the UN Human Rights Council to constitute a commission of inquiry to investigate gross and consistent human rights violations in IIOJK being committed by the Indian occupation forces with impunity under the cover of the two draconian laws, AFSPA and PSA, as recommended by the two reports of the UN High Commissioner for Human Rights. Reiterates that Pakistan will continue providing all possible support to the Kashmiri people until they achieve their legitimate right to self-determination through a free and impartial plebiscite under the auspices of the United Nations as recognized by the relevant UNSC resolutions.
Speaker Sahab, एक second. Speaker Sahab, एक इसमें error है which I want to correct.
जी क्या एरर है? जी श्रीमती क्या एरर है?
ये शुरू में जब इन्होंने कहा है the only Muslim majority area in Indian occupation, ये sense नहीं बनती. It should say the only Muslim majority area under illegal Indian occupation. That makes a lot more sense. तो वो please add कर दें. Under illegal Indian occupation, not in Indian occupation.
It's very clear. It's very clear. But if the lady so desires, I have no objection.
Thank you.
Now I put the resolution to the House. The question date resolution as moved be adopted. All those in favor of the resolution may say aye. All those against it may say no. I think ayes have it, and consequently the resolution is adopted unanimously.